guys. So today we are taking the truck in to get an exhaust job done. I cut the muffler off, I don't know, 3 years ago, and took all the piping from the muffler back out. And it's fine if you're just cruising, like right now I'm running 60, you know, it's a 55, 60, whatever. Just, you know, country highways, it sounds great, you know, it doesn't drone, it's not overly obnoxious, loud, whatever. But driving down the interstate, man, it gets bad. So running 75, you know, 70, 75, whatever. So anyway, I don't know if you can see it back there, but trailering it in our van just works out better that I would trailer it to the exhaust shop and have somebody drive you there and whatever. So I'm towing it or trailering it in with our van. So anyway, but if you go and look up on my channel, I believe it's called 95 F150 muffler delete. You can see what it sounds like, and then I'll do another video with the new system on. So okay, so my phone's about dead, so I'm not sure how long this is going to last, but I just got here to pick up the truck, and oh my goodness, it's loud. It's awesome. Okay, so my phone was dying, so I had to stop the video and whatever. So I charged it up a little bit, and I'm going to show you what it sounds like now. Still on the trailer. It smells like smoke in here. They smoke it where I got it done. So right now it's just run 2.5-inch pipe. I think it's 2 1/4 from the manifolds, but then it goes to a 2.5 about halfway in here, and then 2.5 clear out. We'll get it off the trailer, and I gotta run to town to get some parts, so we'll see what it sounds like. All right, so now we're in the truck. Got the window down, kind of hear it. It's kind of loud. So this is my first impression. I've never driven it except onto the trailer. So this is totally new for me too, okay? I'll try and get this phone set up somewhere on here. There we go. All right. So this is the first time actually driving it. Like, actually driving it. I don't know how great it's going to pick up on audio. Oh my goodness. Whoops. Sorry. My goodness, this is... Oh my goodness. Oh my Woo! Oh my goodness. This is awesome. This is too stinking funny. Oh my goodness. I don't know how good this is gonna pick up on the camera, but oh man. We'll get out here and do just like stop and then just go. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm sorry guys, this might seem really stupid to you, but this is just cool to me. I don't know. I'm weird like that, I guess, but oh man. So I need to get out of town, and then we'll mess around a little bit.
not that loud, just cruising. It sounds pretty good. Oh my goodness. Sounds like a little bitty Cummins. Man, this was worth every penny. It cost me like $1.98, something like that, to do this. Man alive, that sounds cool. Oh my goodness. This is so awesome. This is awesome, guys. I don't know. Forgive me if I'm seeming stupid, but this is so cool to me. So I'm cruising at 60, and it's like not loud at all. We're going to be jumping on the interstate here in a minute. I'll probably end up editing this video and cutting some of the long spots out. I don't know. Maybe I'll leave it. I don't know. We'll see. I'll watch it before I do it, and we'll see what I think of it. But yeah, I'm cruising at 60, and it's quiet. Like before, it would drone at about 60, like 60. It was like 65 up. It droned pretty bad. Of course, it literally ended under the passenger seat. So, but now it sounds pretty stinking sweet. This is crazy, guys. A little cold though. I got the window open. It's about, I don't know, 50 some degrees out here. This is Illinois climate for you. So last week it was all like 60s. Here, I'll take these glasses off. I'm not trying to be cool or anything. Oh my goodness. So last week it was like 60s, 70s. This week, today, I think a high of like 63 or 5, something like that. Tomorrow, the high is 40, no, it's 38. They kept dropping it, and we're supposed to get snow. Tomorrow's the 20th of April, okay? You're not supposed to be getting snow in April like that. But that's just Illinois for you, so. Man alive. Sounds, I mean, it's not exact, okay, but it sounds kind of like a 12-valve Cummins. It's set up totally different, you know. It's a diesel versus a gas. You're comparing apples to oranges here, but it sounds similar. It sounds like a non-turboed Cummins, which is cool in my opinion. Hopefully, we're trying to build a garage at home. So the garage, like any of the videos where you've seen I'm working in a garage, like a white shed, whatever, that's been where I work. So I can't always use that. And I'm grateful that my boss allows me to use it, but you know, it's awesome to have your own shop. You know, you can leave a project sitting there for a week or two and just, you know, take your time on it if you want. Take your time on it if you want, you know, just do whatever. So my plan is, once we get a garage up, I would like to pull this motor, kind of do like a mild rebuild, just like rings and head gasket and, you know, new gaskets, whatever, and then turbo it. I've said on videos before I'm going to turbo it. I would love to, but that takes so much time and money. Like, it's not as simple as just throwing a turbo on. I've got to get like a mega squirt piggyback system for fuel and air. Okay, I'm going to take off now. Wait, I did this wrong. I was supposed to get on the interstate. Good grief. Okay. Hang on a minute. Let me turn around. I don't know what I'm doing here. is cool. For some stinking reason, that is cool. Oh my goodness. Eventually, I don't know, I think I told you guys that I was going to do a flatbed on this eventually, like hopefully this summer. But I've got to take the bed off, paint the frame, do a bunch of work. So I'm going to plan on putting like an 8-inch tip on this eventually. Okay, I'm going to try and get on it. I'm going to tilt the camera back so it don't fall. Okay, ready? It is like, it's not that bad. I mean, granted, the window's open. But before, it was like, if you would listen to the radio on music, I hated it because, in a way, I'm somewhat musically inclined, not much, but barely, so I can hear notes, and the frequency of the radio against the frequency of the exhaust would be off, and it would drive me nuts. Like, I would like let off the throttle or give it more just to try to adjust it just a little bit so it wasn't as bad. But oh man, it would drive me nuts. But now it is not bad at all. That is sweet though. Yeah, it is really not bad. Man. Alright, well I'm going to stop the video here on this. Alright, so I'm doing a little clip here. If I can get this phone set. So this clip will just be me pulling the trailer, an empty trailer, tandem axle, 18-foot dove, with the dove on it. It weighs, I believe, about 3,000 pounds, in the neighborhood of 3,000 pounds. So just running empty, but I've got 2.5-inch straight pipes, factory exit location, I guess, and the window's down. Hopefully the wind isn't too terrible. I'll slow down and stop here and take off and let you hear it. Sure know what's coming. Okay, this is going to be a complete stop. Alright, here we go.